Welcome back to Biker Wish, your ultimate destination for everything bikes. Today, we're diving into the 2026 Suzuki V-Strom 650, an adventure bike designed to take you anywhere from highways to backcountry trails. Is this the perfect all-rounder? Let's find out. The 2026 Suzuki V-Strom 650 combines bold adventure styling with practical design. Its sharp lines, taller windscreen, and full LED lighting give it a modern, aggressive look while improving rider comfort. The lightweight yet sturdy chassis keeps the bike agile on highways and trails alike. The full-colored TFT display is a standout feature. It's bright, fully customizable, and integrates navigation, ride modes, and smartphone connectivity, giving you all the essential info at a glance. The V-Strom 650 is powered by a 645cc parallel twin engine, delivering smooth, reliable power, ideal for touring or weekend adventures. The 2026 model features improved throttle response and enhanced fuel efficiency, so long rides are easier than ever. With a balanced chassis, adjustable suspension, and a well-tuned braking system, the V-Strom handles twisty roads and off-road trails with confidence. Whether you're carving corners or cruising highways, it feels stable and responsive. Suzuki has packed the V-Strom 650 with rider-friendly technology. From multiple riding modes to traction control and ABS, the bike is designed to adapt to different road conditions. The TFT display not only shows speed and gear, but also integrates navigation and smartphone connectivity. Heated grips, adjustable windscreen, and ergonomic seating make long rides much more comfortable. Suzuki really thought of everything for adventure riders. The V-Strom 650 is built for long journeys. Its upright seating position and well-padded seat keep fatigue at bay. The bike's luggage options and robust frame make it ideal for touring, whether it's a weekend trip or a cross-country ride. Even with a passenger, the V-Strom remains stable and comfortable, making it a true all-rounder for adventure enthusiasts. In 2026, the Suzuki V-Strom 650 continues to be a benchmark for mid-sized adventure bikes. Its combination of performance, technology, comfort, and style makes it a versatile choice for riders who want one bike for every kind of journey. If you're looking for a dependable, fun, and adventure-ready motorcycle, the V-Strom 650 is definitely worth checking out. Thanks for riding along with us today on Biker Wish. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more bike reviews, news, and adventure rides. Let us know in the comments, would you take the 2026 V-Strom 650 on your next adventure?